Hey guys out there in YouTube land, I hope that everybody is doing well. I'm doing pretty good. Just had a lovely little jam session with myself and the Lord. His eye is on the sparrow, and I know that he is watching me. Somebody talk now. He is watching over me. Why should I be discouraged when Jesus is my portion? Remember that for today and every day, but definitely today. I don't know what you're going through, but if that's something that you need, remember that his eye is on sparrows. Okay, read that in Mark chapter in Mark. It's in Matthew 2, Luke 2, I'm sure, but his eye is on the sparrow, so you know that he is watching over you. Do not be discouraged. Lift up your hands, lift up your eyes, sing a song of praise unto the Lord, and a song that encourages you, oh him, somebody. But anyway, guys, love you. I am trying to okay, so I'm doing some organizational um projects in the home, and I got a few of them. This has been on my list for me. Although I have organized it a couple of times, but now I want there's some other things I want to do to it. I do have some jars. I have some jars actually that are like this size and a little smaller, a bunch of baby food jars and some other jars. Let me see if I can get them down. As a matter of fact, up here over the microwave. I got lots of jars, prayerfully, but I'm trying to figure out the best way to do this. So these are just some more. I think I got more that's like this. So these little jars, although they look scary because they look like specimen jars, like for urines and things like that. But nonetheless, biopsies and something. But I think these have. Oh no, I thought they had the measurements on them. But nonetheless, I have these. Not crazy about the colors. I don't like too many colors. I like things to be uniform. So I'm not sure what I would do with these yet. And maybe I have some tops because I have several tops as well. Maybe I have some gold or silver tops, or green or gray that could go on top of here. Let me just leave these out for a minute so I can check that, as a matter of fact. So I really need to get on this project because it's really out of hand. I was thinking my whole one of my, I want to call it principles or morals or whatever I am, value, whatever it is that if it doesn't, if I can, if I, if I have enough things in here, then I don't need more. And this thing is bulging, and I still have some other herbs and things that are under, in another cabinet. And I was like, oh man, I just have too many things, and nothing's bad in here. Everything is good, but I want to condense them and put them somewhere. And I was like, oh man, where could I even put stuff? But over the stove, I think I'm going to use this as the overflow area. Although I don't know how good that would be over the stove because of the heat and whatever. But we'll see what happens. I have something that I could put them inside but we'll see what happens. But this space is open, like really open. So what I'm going to do is take everything out, not right now because I'm working on something else, but I just thought I'd talk to you guys about that so you can encourage me, give me some tips. So what I'm going to do basically is remove things and put them into those, like I said, these smaller jars. Anything that's overflowing. Then the larger jars that I can decant or continue to refill. I will try to put them either here or remove these things, put them somewhere else, and then the things that are under the in the cabinet that's stays cooler. I'll probably exchange those out, but nonetheless, so some of these, these belong to the family, so everything is not necessarily totally mine or whatever. Hence this here. So yeah, so I got a lot of different salts and things. I kind of keep it in a way that, like, these are my herbs. This is where I normally keep all of my dry herbs and things like that. These are more spices, turmeric, cinnamons, and nutmegs and things like that. These cardamom seeds and cumin and stuff like that. These mostly carry like more hot things and aromatics like onion and garlic and what else is in here? White peppers, oh, and things of that nature. Up there, I always keep honey, and our coconut oil stays up there, although it's on the counter right now. And then in here, in the middle, is like my curry. It was something else I was keeping here, but I can't remember what it is now. There's cinnamon sticks, and star anise is right there, and that container, and then there's that honey that I'm trying to use up. Here I'll just overflow things and baking things, like a lot of different salts, my cornstarch, my baking soda, baking powder is up here. I'm gonna take this down. Oh, let's see. One hand bandit. So yeah, and different sauce, pink Himalayan. You got cacao powder, baking powder, sea salt. This is, I don't like how this is sitting there. That's a little better. And then there's a big old baking powder up there with all the powders, residue. And so here, I mostly like bouillons. You see there's some yeast in there. What do you call it? Extracts and things like that are in here. Smoke, liquid smoke, specialty things and blah, blah, blah. So, and I love keeping them in these canisters the way they are. These are just my old shoe canisters and stuff. Things like that, because they're easy to, use. I can't, they're easy, easy to remove and put back and stuff like that. And these are just old, like, cake tops and, cake stuff that you buy from the store. See how easy this is for me to just bring this down, and, utilize and whatnot. So easy to put back up, because, and you can probably buy stuff like that. But this is, I don't have to have it Lazy Susan, because it's its own Lazy Susan. It moves freely, and everything. So there's no problem with that. And thank you. I'm glad you're moving like you are. And another reason why is because it's so dangerous. This is really, so many things will fall out of here, and then they fall down here, and then my cruets, my oil cruets, they could fall and break, and I don't want these to break. I don't want to buy new cruets, although I do have another set of these, I think. Wait a minute, where is that? Okay, no, I must have broken one, because I only see one back there. Have I? Maybe one has broken. I don't recall that. Maybe it's somewhere else. So anyway, I don't want these broken. I like them. I like their, little shape. And then why do I want them broke anyway? They're, I just want to keep them. So it's really dangerous for things to fall here, because this is also a day, it's a mess here right now, because my kitchen is a working kitchen. There's always something going in process or progress or whatever. So, but when things fall, they fall, and then then there's a whole big situation. But I'm going to fill this as well. I need to fill this. I need to refill this, although I don't really, I'm going to refill this. These were nice, these peppercorns from what's the name, Sam's. I bought some more. They're not the same. I do want some Szechuan ones, as a matter of fact, but these are the peppercorns. They're similar to the ones that were in there anyway. So I'm gonna put that in there. This I keep empty, because this is, although I have a spice grinder, I keep this, when I want to pop something in and grind it. I love this. It really works so good. It has a lot of, it has, it grinds to whatever, you want it coarse, you want it fine, it works really, really good. And some of the, but that's the Rukon. Some of the writing has come off, but you can find those Crate and Barrels, I think, Amazon, different places like that. My mortar and pestle is here. I do keep coriander seeds in here, black pepper, corns in here. So I want to, and I love Peters. I love salt and pepper, crazy salt and pepper Peters. So I have a few of those around. So yeah, that's what I want to do. I have some ginger here that needs to be put away as well. So that's what I want to do. See how I can put everything, because I think if I use those baby food jars, and I have another size that are not baby food jars, that are actually, let me get them. I think they were like pasta, or not pasta, but there was something Italian-y inside of these, which are also nice. I like the wide mouth of them. Oh, they're very similar to these. I didn't notice that. These were garlics. Oh, I didn't even notice that. They're, oh, I think they're the same, or at least very, very similar anyway. So I have several of those, and I think I might just use these. Well, I think I'll use these definitely. And the taller baby food jars. So I think that's what I'm going to do, because I think I corralled a lot of, because the jar tops, I didn't like those. Some of them were red, some of them were red and yellow. They're both red and yellow. So I didn't like that. I don't want that color in there. I would prefer something that's either gold, silver, gray, something like that. So that's what I'm doing, and I have lots of packages from Spice House that need to go inside of things as well. So anyway, that's my life today. I'm not going to get to this today. I'm still thinking about how to do it. Plus I have other things that need to get done before I even get to this. Although this is important, like I said, it's really dangerous. Stuff falls, boom, and start breaking everything and whatever. So I don't like that at all. So, but it is a mess, because it's not supposed to be like this. So I do need to get on it. So hopefully to this week. So anyway, and if I get things done, maybe I could get to it, but I still need to kind of think about it, because I still have to label them. That's another thing that I'm concerned about, labeling. Am I going to use magic marker? Am I going to use a sticker? Because I kind of don't want a sticker on it. I guess I could put something on top, and I'm saying sticker, but I really mean label. Maybe I could put something on top, but I kind of don't want to. Maybe I'll just label the top with magic marker or something. So that might be what I do, because then, even though you can't see it from this angle, when you bring it out, you'll be able to see what's inside if you don't recognize from the contents. And I kind of just want everything clear. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, yeah, that's my life right now. So I just want to get that done. I had a lot of my oils and things. These things will stay here, but like I said, these is so dangerous for things to fall. But a lot of my oils and vinegars and things of that nature that I cook with. I do need to find the the top that goes with this, I need to get that straightened because I want to put something in this. I need to clean this off, put something in there. A lot of my, what do you call these? The balsamics and things like that. A lot of junk, a lot of stuff. So anyway, I will talk to you guys later. Don't forget, encourage me, give me ideas. So that, I think I might have it down. It's just going to take a little time. I just need to also make sure that I have enough of, and look at those, artificial colors, things in there. What do you call those artificial colors? Food color. Anyway, so that's my life right now. So that's what I'm going to be working on in a couple of days or something like that. So, but I want to get it done in one day, not something that's takes forever or whatever. I think I'm going to refill this. I buy this every so often, kind of like this every so often. This one is empty. It's very cheap too. I think it costs about $1 or something. It's under $2, but I like to throw that in something. And another thing that I found when I was doing a shift is this. This little seasoned salt was nice to put on things. I need to see if I can find this. Actually, I'm going to make my own. Stay tuned for that video. I'll be making my own. What am I even thinking about? But it was nice. I'd like to have something like this. It was nice. I think it came with a food subscription meal thing. So anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. Love you very much. Don't forget, encourage me in this endeavor that I'm doing, and stay tuned. I'll be making my own. I got a lot of little dehydrating things and little food preservation and little things to little back to basic ideas and things. So I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Okay, bye bye for now. I don't know. Oh, okay.